Alright guys, we're doing this video for this kind of Leatherman Tern. Thanks Joey for donating this. Helps a bunch. Alright, get this started. Oop.
Well, that's the thing, and you know, it's like that lady in the
1937. 737. Let's go over to PayPal and check your proof. Starts there with Gord and then goes down to Scott. So that's it right there. And head over to random. Refreshed a couple times. There's one. And two. Green lock shows we have a secure connection. Hold over here, we got 10 numbers in this one. Good luck, everyone. Number 2. Alright, let's head over to the waffle site. Get you a winner's timestamp. 1938. 738 down there. Head up here. See who number 2 was. Kevin Baxter. Congrats. PM me and I'll get that out to you right away. Timestamp 1938, 738. Alright. Congrats, Kevin.